what it is. I want to show y'all about five different people who charts I've read. I mean, who charts I've done for them. I want to see what they said back to me after I done it because you understand that I've been studying astrology for about 5 years now. Been studying myself, primarily myself, and whoever's around me where I can the people that I know. You know what I'm saying? I know their birthdays, know their times, or what have you. And I researched them. That's how I got to where I am now. Essentially, I've been studying life. I ain't been just reading a whole bunch of books about stuff. I've been studying life. So when I do these readings for people, I'm just telling them what I see. I don't know these people. You know what I'm saying? I'd be amazed sometimes some of the stuff people say to me. Let me be right. So I just want to show y'all what your birth chart can do for you. If you get a reading from me or if you go get it for yourself, obviously I will want you to get a reading from me so I can get something out of it. But I got 400 videos sharing it pretty much. I ain't gonna say everything I know, but a lot of stuff. A good 75% of my knowledge, if you will, I've shared on online for free, for asking for nothing. So my point is that you can do all this for yourself. You ain't got to come to me. My point in doing it is to get people to understand how important they are. Because we caught up in society where we worship all these idols. So look at this brother. I did a reading from. Excuse the language. It's between two brothers chopping it up. So whatever. He said, "Bro, that hoe was on the money." Excuse the language. I'm talking back to you like I'm literally there. Literally, when you said the same thing, I laughed. Everything was spot on. But oddly enough, a lot of stuff mentioned I have already experienced, which was confirmation. You also mentioned something about me having an issue in Pisces or something of that nature. Like this kind of reason I want y'all to want to prove this point right here because the brothers are Sagittarius. And he said you haven't. He said that I told him you have an issue with Pisces, something of that nature, right? Crazy thing is, nearly all the females I've dated in the past 3 to 4 years are Pisces. And when I meet a new chick, I ask them what's their B day. Lo and behold, Pisces. What do you think is correlation, right? So I told him Pisces is the sign you must conquer in this lifetime. Sagittarius must believe in themselves. Your moon in Pisces gives you the, and I went into some more, but y'all don't need to know all that. Essentially, I told him that, da 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 da. Then he come back, he say, sadly, I know exactly what that means for me to do. So I hit him with the meme because I'm a goofy type person. Then look at this. This was 7/22/18. He hit me back what 2 weeks later, bro. Thank you. That's all I gotta say. So something that happened in them 2 weeks where he seen exactly what I said in the chart, and he just wanted to shoot me a message, say thank you. See what I'm saying? Thought that was pretty cool. Like this is another one the brother sent me. So I had to just pause the video. Obviously, it's a different person. I had to just pause, but I'm blanking out their names because they ain't say I could do this. So I'm blanking out their name. I had to just pause the video on Jupiter return part and message real quick. I have no words right now. It just all clicked. All right. Somebody when I should show them their birth chart. You feel me? It's just all click when you studying yourself, and then I give you this. More will pop up. And it's from another brother. He said, "Damn, bro, that was on point. Your analysis of of how I view myself in relation to my father was spot on this time, among the many other points. This is probably the first time I heard a breakdown of this detail that made sense. I'll be watching this video a few more times. A lot of shit here. I greatly appreciate it. Right? See what I'm saying? So I hit him with the meme because like I say, everything's funny to me. All right, this is another one. Thank you. Crazy how accurate you were. I've been screwed over by guys in the past, which makes it hard for me to trust. I wish the video was longer. Is there anything else significant you seen on my chart? Looking forward to doing a reading on my son's chart next week. No problem. Let me not tell her no problem. She was a Libra. So I told her, look for Capricorns or Aquariuses in your life. They can help you. So you see, I told with her being an Aquarius, I told her look for Capricorns. It's 3 signs ahead. It's a science to it, and I got a video explaining that as well. You know what I'm saying? Like I say, I don't hold stuff back from people. I tell you everything I feel like you can understand. Everything I know, I feel like pertains to your understanding. You understand what I'm saying? I give whatever I can. And this is another one I got recently. Bro, there was so much stuff about my life and circumstance that aligned with this chart. It was unreal. It really brought me some things to light that I've been wondering about myself. See what I'm saying? When you already studying yourself and then you get your chart, and you ain't even necessarily got to be studying yourself. If you've already um, critiqued your actions in your past, which we, sorry, my son in the back, as we all had, you understand what I'm saying? You start to see some of the correlations with your chart. The thing that really stood out to me was the Valentine's Day thing. It was easy for me to remember because me and my wife actually got into an argument this year about celebrating. And you see it goes on. But after that, he said, "You doing real work out here, bro, and I'm glad to be in touch. And I'm going to be in touch. Peace." So you feel me? Like this stuff. It's I gave this brother his numerology. His chart was amazing. Got the numerology and astrology tied together because they always do. But I don't. I rarely do numerology and astrology for people because it just takes time. This brother right here, he didn't even really ask for a reading. He just threw me some money just out of love. So peace to the brother. Um, but yeah, man, y'all see these charts can really help y'all life, and that's why I do it. I'm trying to. I know something that can help people, so I try to share it. You feel me? So if you want to read, holler at me, email, and all the information be in the comments. And I know I don't never say this, but because I never really jumped on YouTube for like views and stuff. But essentially, you gotta get views so you get exposure, so you can get more, get your information out there more. So if you will, please share this on your social media stuff, and tell them to holler at me or tell them to watch my videos so they can get their own chart. You understand what I'm saying? Like I say, I do it for me, but I'm doing it for y'all. So peace and love. Take it easy.